Today we're focusing on lighting, which the truck definitely needs an improvement on it. We've got the factory halogen stuff on here. It's time to replace it with some Morimoto XP series front headlamps, tail lamps, as well as a third brake light. These are dope, look at those. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King back in the house next door at WBA Performance, and today we're doing a whole bunch of upgrades to the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. Today we're focusing on lighting, which the truck definitely needs an improvement on it. We've got the factory halogen stuff on here. It's time to replace it with some Morimoto XP series front headlamps, tail lamps, as well as a third brake light. Now, since we're over here today doing a whole bunch of body and styling upgrades with Lethal Performance paint match products, we're gonna be pulling the grill off and doing a whole bunch of body work to the vehicle. So it'll be a great time for us to do those Morimoto headlamps, tail lights, and third brake light. Should be pretty easy for us to do. So let's go ahead and get started with the process of removing the factory stuff and get going on the install of those Morimoto products. We've got Chad, our special installer here today. Chad's been with us forever, man. This is like family to me. Chad, I'm not really sure if he's still an ASC certified tech, but I'm gonna give him that certification right now. He was, at some point, the artist formerly known as ASC certified. He's gonna be doing the install. Chad helps out quite a bit. Pretty much runs our warehouse, as well as any type of small work we need done, swap and drag setups, doing carbon fiber fitment, stuff like that. Chad's always there to help out, so I'm excited to have him help out here with the body and styling stuff, as well as those headlamps, taillights, and third brake lights. So Chad,
let's get it.
You ready?
Let's go.
You got this? You feeling good about this? All right, here we go. Put Chad to the test. I don't even think you need to have Riz, bro. You just show up in a truck like this that we built, along with 15 grand in cash. That's all you need, bro. You're in.
Away the F-150, $15,000 in cash, and Riz.
Riz is included. This truck is Riz. I mean, come on. Nice packaging, quality packaging, and there you go. All set up, plug and play, right? I say we probably keep the plastic on it until the last moment, then get the satisfaction of the peel. is looking my time.
Yep, I got plate on.
And we just wrapped up the lighting upgrades on the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck with a whole bunch of awesome upgrades from Morimoto. We've got their XB series headlamps on here, as well as their taillights and third brake light. Let's take a walk around the truck and see how it looks. The headlamps look awesome. They've got that smoke finish to them. The amber DRLs and LEDs in there look really nice. Let's walk around to the back, take a look at those taillights. All plug and play. Morimoto includes pretty much everything you need to install these with a harness and all. Really nice upgrade to your truck. These are dope. Look at those. These are smoked taillights. I love the look of those things. Real nice, dark to them. LEDs right around there. Those things pop really nice. And go along with the theme here of our truck, which is carbonized gray. Lots of black on here too. It looks really nice. And the last piece of the puzzle is the Morimoto third brake light, which again looks really nice. Tell you what, those LEDs are very bright. If you're working back here in the bed, something like that in the evening, turn them on and it'll definitely help you guys out in the back, see what you're doing. I want to give a big shout out to Morimoto and thank them so much for being a part of the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway build. You guys are awesome. Remember guys that all Morimoto products qualify you for 2 times entries to winning the truck as well as the $15,000 in cash. So make sure to head on over to Lethal Performance and get your performance parts as well as your accessories and swag to get those entries for your chance to win the truck and $15,000 in cash. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105 on the Mustang King, and I'm out of here.